Hi friends, let's first check the amazing new features of WAN 2.2 model before starting this tutorial. Yes, the most awaited WAN 2.2 open source model is finally released for the public on 28 July 2025. First, download the models. First model, WAN 2.2 High Noise S.gguf Q5KS. Next, download the WAN 2.2 Low Noise S.gguf Q5KS. Then download the WAN 2.1 VAE model. Next, download the UMT5 XXL FP8 model. Lastly, download the two LoRa's. One is WAN 2.1 ComfyUI 14B text to video rank 32 version 2 LoRa, and the other one is WAN 2.1 Fusion X image to video LoRa. Put all the files in appropriate folders. Check the video description for the model download links. Let's start the tutorial. First, load your desired image in Image Loader. Then load the WAN 2.2 high noise model. If you have the Sage Attention installed in your system, keep as it is, and if don't have it, disable it. Here load the ComfyUI version 2 LoRa rank 32, and here load Fusion X LoRa. Then load the WAN 2.2 low noise model. Here load the ComfyUI version 2 LoRa rank 32, and here load Fusion X LoRa. Here load the UMT5 XXL FP8 model. Here load the WAN 2.1 VAE model. Now select the resolution, that is width 1024 pixels and height is 576 pixels. After so much testing, I found this resolution is best for both speed and quality. I have wrote a simple single line prompt, that is cinematic shot of tiger walking in the jungle. You can enable the WAN video block swap node if you're getting out of memory error. In total, there are 6 steps. 3 starting steps in high noise and last 3 steps in low noise model. CFG is 1.0, sampler is Euler, and the scheduler is simple. You can use simple VAE decoder, and if you have low VRAM, use the tiled VAE decoder. First, the generated video will be saved in 12 frames per second, and after that it will, using Rift frame interpolation node, it will be saved in 24 frames per second. Okay, let's hit run and generate the video. Oh, the video is generated. It looks stunning. WAN 2.2 model really done a great job. This 5 seconds of video took around 9 to 10 minutes in my NVIDIA RTX 3060. Let's check the performance with another image to video example. Also, this generated video looks amazing. You can do a lot of experiments with this model as the WAN video team has provided a high guidance on text prompt writing. I hope you like this tutorial. You can download the workflow and the models from links provided in the video description. If you like my effort, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the like button. If you need an advanced tutorial on writing WAN 2.2 prompts, please do mention in the comments below. Meet you in the next tutorial.